Outstanding design defines the 2013 Honda Civic Coupe. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.